They are barking. Be quiet. That's the deck. Still kind of coming down now. Just little flakes now, and the wind's dropped considerably, but Lloyd, he's over there with Molly and Kevin. Lloydie! Come on, Lloyd! What a dag. And this is us. This is what it looks like. Had grass a day ago and now we've got this.